Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please, if you would, share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, the Senate votes on a new PPP bill today. Here's what's included. It will have $257 billion in funds to support a second draw on the PPP loans. Also, if you didn't get PPP the first time, you can also get it this time, along with a second draw if you apply for that second draw. To get a second draw from the PPP, you will have to have less than 300 employees. They're doing this to keep it for small companies. But to me, 300 employees, that's not a very small company. You also have to have a 35% reduction in growth revenue between the quarters in 2019 and 2020. Nancy Pelosi held a meeting with her fellow Democrats, and she stated, "I want this stimulus package as soon as possible because I do not want to carry the droppings of this grotesque elephant into the next presidency." That was so rude in her to say that, because you know she's talking about President Trump. I've heard hate being spewed from both sides, but I never heard him say anything quite that vile. She also said the same old things that she always says, that she wants more state and local government funding, and more unemployment funding, and a national testing plan. I can go along with the national testing plan and unemployment, but for the local and state funding, I have to think about that one. After she talked to her fellow Democrats, she then talked to Stephen Mnuchin for 53 minutes. See what I've been telling y'all? It don't matter where in the country, where in the world he is, he can still work on this via telephone or his computer. But they did talk on the phone for 53 minutes. They agreed to try to get the wording and everything else finalized by today, because today is Nancy Pelosi's deadline to reach an agreement so we can get this done before elections. And I can understand what she's saying about the deadline. She's not holding them by gunpoint or nothing like that. She's just stating that if they don't get it done today at the end of this 48 hours, they can still get it done. It just won't be implemented before the election. I can understand that. It takes time to implement it after it's signed. I have to give her props on that one. I have to. Mark Meadows said the White House has bumped up the amount they are willing to offer to get closer to what Nancy is wanting. He said now they are at $1.9 trillion. You know, Nancy is wanting $2.2 trillion. That's pretty darn close. Now, if they can't reach an agreement and they're that close, something's up. If you think the Senate won't go for a bigger package, remember we only need 13 of them, and we know already we have 10 to 12. So that should be a very easy job to get that done. If we can get this done now, it looks like the stimulus checks would go out right after the election, but it would be passed before the election, so Donald Trump's name will still be on the checks, whether he's voted in office or not. Y'all, all of this could be good, but don't hold your breath for a check until it shows up in your bank account. You know, we've heard this same song and dance many times, and we never came out with anything good from it. Donald Trump is being the usual Donald Trump bully. Donald Trump said the Republicans will support a larger package. If they don't, he will step in and make sure it's done. I don't like that kind of language. They could hold out now just for spite. He said if we don't get an approval from the Republicans, he will step in, and he thinks he can take care of this problem in 2 minutes. Now he's calling them a problem. And at the same time, he needs their help to get it passed. It's not how you negotiate, and he's supposed to be the master at negotiation. Now, while all of this is going on, we're trying to get this bigger bill passed. The Senate will be voting today on standalone bills. And they know from the past that Nancy Pelosi will not go for a standalone bill. She will not go for piecemeals. She has said this many times. She has proven it many times, but still the Mooch Man wants to insist on it. He's not going to get a piecemeal package. Give it up, Moochie. It just don't make sense that if they're working on a bigger package and we're this close on it, to also be working on skinny packages like this, standalone bills like this. It just don't make sense. Concentrate all your energy on one thing and get it done. Y'all, the standalone bills, I told you what it was today, but I'm going to tell you again, just in case you didn't see earlier today. The Senate will be voting on these starting today. The things we know they will be voting on is a second round of PPP money, extension for unemployment, money for schools, money for testing, tracing, and vaccines. But in these bills, these standalone bills, there is no stimulus checks. So if these gets passed, you will not get a stimulus check. If the larger bill gets passed that they're working on, and it looks like it will get passed, then you will get a stimulus check. And this stimulus check will be $1,200 for adults, $500 for each kid. There's talks, and we don't know for sure yet. It may be $1,000 for each dependent. We'll just have to wait and see on that. But at this point, $500 for each dependent sounds lovely. Nancy Pelosi says all or nothing. She's never been without. She's always had a silver spoon in her mouth. She don't know what the difference between a half a loaf of bread or nothing is. Nancy Pelosi needs a wake-up call, and we need to give it to her in November. We need to give all of them a wake-up call and vote them all out of office. Y'all, I don't know if I'll have another video today or not, but please check out my 10 o'clock video tonight, Late Night with Walter Weyburn, and let me know what you're thinking about it. Right now, it's not getting the views that it needs to, and if I carry it on very long without getting the views, it's going to hurt my channel. So I will be forced to cancel that. But if y'all like it, please go watch it. Let me know you like it. Let me know whether to keep it or to kill it. But the bottom line is, if we don't start getting views over there like we're getting in the morning here, I won't be able to keep it. So y'all go check it out if you ain't seen it. I hope you like it. Also check out my links below. I got my stun guns, pepper sprays, and tactical knives, and I don't know how much longer I'm going to be selling those. I may cut that out, I don't know, but please go check it out. I got plenty of them right now. I will be sending them straight out to you, but I don't know if I'm going to reorder them. So if you want one, now's the time to get it. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel and watch the video that's popping up here now, and come back at 10 o'clock and watch that video tonight and let me know what you think about it. Also, go check out my cooking channel. It's the Chef Walter Weyburn Cooking Show. Y'all go check it out. Let me know what you think about it. And just know I love you all. And I am convinced, I have faith that Jesus Christ will see us through all of this mess that we're in right now. He would never bring us to a battle if he's not going to fight it right along with us. He won't bring us to a storm unless he's going to see us through. I have total faith in that. Y'all pray for our nation, pray for our leaders, pray for everyone that's been touched by COVID, pray for everyone that's hurting right now on kind of all of this stuff with the government. I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.